In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size in WPS Office Mobile. Welcome, and thank you for watching. In this tutorial, I will show you how to adjust the size of your text using the WPS Office Mobile app in a clear and practical way. This is useful whether you are creating a new document or editing one that already contains text, especially when you want your content to look clean, readable, and properly formatted. After opening your document in WPS Office Mobile, look toward the bottom part of the screen. This area contains the main text formatting tools that you will use while editing. Among these tools, you will see a capital letter A with a plus sign and a capital letter A with a minus sign. These icons allow you to increase or decrease the font size of your text directly. If you are working on a blank page and have not typed anything yet, tap the capital letter A with a plus sign to make the font larger, or tap the capital letter A with a minus sign to make it smaller. Once you select the font size you prefer, start typing your text. The text will automatically appear in the font size you selected, allowing you to continue writing without adjusting it again. If your document already contains text, such as a word, phrase, sentence, or paragraph, changing the font size is just as simple. Begin by highlighting the text you want to modify. Make sure only the text you want to change is selected, since the adjustment will only apply to the highlighted portion. After selecting the text, go back to the bottom of the screen and tap the capital letter A with a plus or minus sign. The font size of the selected text will change immediately. You can also adjust the font size using another option found at the bottom left part of the WPS Office Mobile screen. Tap the icon located there to open additional formatting tools. Once opened, you will see the font size option. Tap on it and choose the specific font size you are looking for. This method is helpful if you need a more precise size instead of increasing or decreasing gradually. Changing font size improves the overall appearance of your document. Larger text works well for titles and headings, while smaller text is better for body content or supporting details. Take a moment to review your document after making changes to ensure everything looks balanced and easy to read. WPS Office Mobile makes font size adjustments quick and convenient, even on a small screen. With just a few taps, you can control how your text appears and create documents that look polished and professional. That is how you can easily change the font size in WPS Office Mobile. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.